With a new muscular design, the new Chevrolet Blazer for sale in Eugene, Oregon is ready to take you on your next shopping spree. With plenty of space behind the second row of 60/40 split folding seats, shop confidently for almost anything you may need for your next home improvement project, or even groceries. Fold down the second row of seats for a maximum cargo volume of 64.2 cubic feet. Driver-centric buttons and touch-sensitive screens keep you engaged and up to date with what's happening around you, and make the new Chevrolet Blazer a thrill to drive. Available all-wheel drive makes driving through the annual Eugene snow easy. And when equipped with appropriate snow tires, the new Chevrolet Blazer can become unstoppable. A standard 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission, offers low-end torque, while an optional 3.6-liter V6 gets you on the highway with confidence. It's easy to drive the new Chevrolet Blazer with 5 available drive modes, including Tour, All-Wheel Drive, Tow Haul, Off-Road, and Sport. Simply hop in, select which drive mode reflects your driving style, and head out on the open road. Road trip easily, while various standard driver assistance technologies keep you in your lane and at a safe following distance behind the car in front of you. With seating for 5, take your friends along for the ride with standard sliding rear seats. Kendall delivers to your home when you use our online car shopping and home delivery for free, up to 100 miles. Simply buy online and we'll drop off your new car, truck, or SUV right to your front door. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to watch more great videos from Kendall. Come by our Chevrolet dealership and find your next Chevrolet Blazer today in Eugene, off Good Pasture Island Road and Delta Highway. Kendall, let's start something great.